we wouldn't actually go to extreme measures to get what we want. At least that's what we all initially thought. But on the 25th of March, 2021, everyone got to see what Anonymous was really like.
This video was a terrible idea. Let me explain. A few months back, a mysterious user by the name Anonymous joined my Discord server. At first, I thought Anonymous was a pretty funny name, but then I realized that there was more to the story. Every so often, Anonymous would say a lot of weird statements. My entire Discord server became curious as to who this mysterious man was. I thought it was one of my friends trolling me, but it turns out it was a completely random dude. Today, after months of investigation, my best friend and I got on a call with Anonymous and did a manhunt. This took a lot of guts. If me and my friend, the speedrunners, kill the Ender Dragon before the hunter Anonymous kills us, Anonymous will have to reveal his identity and will be banned. If he wins, we would have to spend more time with him. Ew. But there's a catch. Anonymous has infinite resistance, meaning he can never die. Can my friend and I beat the game before an invincible weirdo kills us once? Watch till the end to find out.
It was odd. Charlie and I had decided to face Anonymous in the most uncomfortable 2v1 of her life. And for the record, this is what he sounded like in the video.
Oh, what?
His voice was filtered, as well as his skin, to keep his identity protected. A decision approved by Garland herself. And just in the first minute of the video, he was already acting like Anonymous. There was no doubt from the audience, this was him. He was ready to do and say everything he could. And throughout the entire because you're the was about to say here,